Okay, let's go to some stock picks. David, you've hinted at yours, so I'm going to come to you last way. Next, start with you for your stock pick. Sasol. Even Sasol's responded to this SA Inc. rally.
Yeah, there was a lot of negative news, obviously, about SA, what's going to happen if the MK, ANC, EFF get together. And so a lot of that's this rally that we have seen, it's only back to where it was, a month ago. So, it hasn't exactly shot the lights out. But if we get the same story, get a global economic recovery, get a recovery in the oil price, which obviously some of this will be taken away by the stronger rand, but the big recovery in global chemical prices. This thing's trading historic 3 price earnings ratio.
Yeah.
It's really cheap. This is not, it's not for sissies, this share. But it can recover strongly. So, I think you can see 200, 250 Rand here in the medium term quite comfortably.
Yeah, we are seeing some positive moves higher in global chemical prices. Early days, but we are. David Shapiro, Sasfin, you're going with some South African government bonds.
Yeah, I still think, if you can lock in, and I'm talking those that are beyond 10 years or 8 years, where I know rates have come down on the short, or when I say the 8-year bonds or whatever it is, but those that are longer, if you can hook in, 11.5% in the kind of environment now, go for it. Because when those rates come down, there is a little bit of a capital profit you can make. But I think, that's what I'm saying with dividend yields as well. If you can lock in those high dividend yields, do it, if that's what you're after. And I think the same with property. You're going to get some very attractive opportunities in the property market if this is real and this continues, which I believe it will.
Yeah, I take your point. There's also the RSA retail bonds, which is fixed for 5 years, 11.5%. That rate will change in July, but 11.5 it's a chunky. 5 years at 11.5 is a big number. Make no mistake. We'll leave it there for this evening. That's all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Wayne McCurrie from FNB Wealth and Investments. He went with Sasol. David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities, going with South African government bonds. Up next, the close. Stay with us.